Hello, I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is Thursday, 17th December 2020. In this video show, we talk every day about trading intraday and swing trading the Nifty and the Nifty Bank. Yesterday, I had explained that we had a good day and yesterday was compensated for a lot of choppy days this week. This week is the options expiry week, which starts from Friday and ends on Thursday. For today, I had the same view. The trend is up. See, yesterday we made lifetime highs. When we are making lifetime highs, the trend is not down. It's going to be up. That's why lifetime highs are coming. Not once, but consistently. So the trend is up, but for today, I did not have a pattern or a setup. So I told you that I have long positions and the chances are I will simply exit those long positions. That's all I will do today. The Nifty opened flat, but then it started going up. So it broke the first 15-minute high and then it gave a sense that it may be a trend day today. In my videos earlier, I have told you that many often the last day of the settlement, weekly settlement, which is Thursday, becomes a trend day. So I had now the trend in front of me which promised that today will be a trend day. I already have long positions. I don't want to add to them. So what I did was, now this is a matter of tactics. The trend is up and we should be buying, and I did that. But the tactics had changed. I had option spreads, call spreads. I sold those call spreads and I took some long positions for the day, and they were to sell puts out of the money puts which are expiring today. When you sell out of the money puts, they are essentially a long position. I must warn you that this options trade is not meant for everyone. It is meant for, well, to want of a better word, it is meant only for advanced traders. But the trade was to be on the long side and I did that. Closed my in the money calls, spreads, took out of the money options, sold out of the money puts, which essentially made me long with much lower risk. The reason I did was that the risk became much less. I am only talking about options today. This video show is not about options. We should be talking only of futures. If you had a futures trade yesterday, you should have exited it as I did in a different form. If you wanted to take a trade today, there was a possibility when the first 15 minutes high was taken out by the Nifty. In either case, during the day, a long position became justified when the market started becoming cheerful. At the end of the day, all was well. We had a trend day with some minor intraday corrections. That is normal. Now, what about tomorrow? Tomorrow we have a setup. The setup is that today was a narrow range day. Earlier also this week a narrow range day had occurred, but I told you we won't count it because it came after a gap up. So the gap also needs to be added to make the true range, and then it was no longer a narrow range. But today there was no gap up and the Nifty moved in just a 100-point range. When the Nifty goes into, or any instrument goes into a narrow range, it gives us a message that now I am in a trading range, I am deciding what to do. Today I have not taken a view on whether I should go up or down. That's why I am in a narrow range. Soon I will take that view. Soon an expansion will come. So tomorrow we have a trade. If the Nifty crosses 13,775, that's today's high, we want to go long. Now how you go long is something that you have to decide, whether you take a 15-minute breakout, whether you go long after an intraday correction, whether you go long on a consolidation. And remember, it can be a choppy market also. But the view is that this is a level and we want to be long if we can. If the lows of the day today are broken, theoretically we should be going short, but I don't want to take any short position. So I will just take the long side if it comes, otherwise do nothing. This is the view for tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Jai Hind.